Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset brand messaging with Coca-Cola step by step clearly. Start by analyzing your current brand messaging. Identify what elements resonate with your audience. Assess what aspects of your messaging may be outdated or irrelevant. Gather insights from customer feedback and market research. Define your brand's core values and mission clearly. Consider the emotions you want to evoke in your audience. Look at successful campaigns from Coca-Cola for inspiration. Break down their approach to storytelling and emotional connection. Craft a new messaging strategy that aligns with your core values. Develop key messages that are clear and memorable. Test your new messaging internally first with your team. Gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. Create engaging visual content that reflects your new messaging. Launch a pilot campaign to see how the new messaging performs. Monitor audience reactions and analyze engagement metrics. Refine your messaging based on real-time data and insights. Prepare for a full rollout across all marketing channels. Communicate changes to your stakeholders for alignment. Reinforce brand consistency across every platform and touchpoint. Evaluate the impact of the new messaging over time. Adapt your strategy as needed based on ongoing feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.